What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend, a great day. If you're new here, make sure to check out the link in the top comment of the video. I'm going to put a link to my podcast called Michael on the Mic, where I talk about business news, tech news, and other stocks that I don't mention on the channel. Just really interesting topics. And also check out the link to joining our private investing community. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin just surpassed $60,000. It was a record high. It's the first time ever it surpassed $60,000 as their rally is continuing to accelerate. This year alone, Bitcoin is up over 963% in the last month, and it surpassed a $1 trillion valuation last week. So things are really moving along for Bitcoin, and Cathie Wood and ARK Invest think this is just the beginning. So MasterCard, BNY Mellon, PayPal, and other major institutions are starting to really accept Bitcoin, whether they're accepting it, letting their investors put money into it. A lot of people are starting to accept Bitcoin, and like hotels, businesses are also starting to accept cryptocurrencies as well as a form of payment. But where is this going to go? Is it going to continue to go up? Is it going to crash? According to Cathie Wood and ARK Invest, previously she came out, and when Bitcoin was around $18,000 a share, she said that Bitcoin could easily reach $500,000 a share, which still represents about an 8x return from where it is right now. And the reason for this is because with Bitcoin, if institutions allocated single mid-digit amounts of Bitcoin to their balance sheet, it would take the price to $400,000 to $500,000 per Bitcoin. So essentially, if all the money they have invested, if they take, let's say, 3% of that and put it in Bitcoin, all the major institutions, it's just going to drive the price up to about $500,000 per Bitcoin, because the way Bitcoin is there's a limited supply. There's only 21 million Bitcoin that'll ever be mined. Currently, there's around 19 million that are in existence, and some of these are never going to, have been lost forever. There's not going to be, people can't access them because they lost their password. So essentially what this means is as all these large institutions start to accept Bitcoin, they start buying more as an investment, well, then it's going to drive the price up because there's a very limited supply of Bitcoin and it never can increase. And for that reason, that's why she thinks it could reach $500,000 per coin. Is it going to happen this year? Probably not. Is it going to happen next year? Probably not. 5-10 years from now, it has a very good chance, though, of reaching that. So putting money into Bitcoin now, remember, it's a long-term investment. We could easily see it go back down to 30,000 or 25,000, but long-term, Cathie Wood, Chamath, top analysts are all seeing this have major potential, easily being able to go to 500,000, 8x from where it is right now. So as long as you invest in it with the mindset of you're not going to be touching the money for, let's say, 10 years, I don't think you can go wrong with putting money into Bitcoin. If you're looking at it for the next 3-4 years, it definitely could have a major pullback, and we could see it drop below $30,000 like we have previously. We always have these massive runs with Bitcoin every couple years, and then we see a massive drop off. It always levels off higher than the previous high, but still $60,000 is a pretty big milestone, and long term, there's still a lot more upside. Short term, there is going to be a lot of volatility, but that's what's going on with Bitcoin, and hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.